wanted to spend billions more. Newhurst pushed for
Lightning and thundering bad right now.
Yes, bad thunder. It's no wonder every major.
It's like we're having a gummy bear rain today.
Target right now in the parking lot is pouring cats and dogs right now. Wow, look at that lightning! Pretty good. You need the rain pretty bad. We're in the Target parking lot near just off of I-20. Near Hampton. That's it. In Dallas, and it's raining pretty good. The windows are starting to get foggy.
I hope my little friend named Sandra doesn't get scared from the rain. Period.
Rebecca, let's get back there, thundering like crazy. There's the freeway.
Everybody's trying to head home.
Yeah.
Head home as fast as they can.
Bank accounts and stole everything, including your retirement. And then it hits you. Wait, why didn't your identity theft protection help stop this? Because you didn't have the most comprehensive ID theft protection service available, LifeLock Ultimate. They brought it to you, my beloved audience, first. I got it, and you need it. LifeLock goes way beyond guarding your identity, your good name, and credit. Those are essential, but now LifeLock is the only identity theft protection company that monitors bank accounts for takeover fraud. Look, LifeLock can't protect you or your bank accounts if you're not a member. Visit lifelock.com/Levin, Levin, for details and my special 10% discount. Or call 1-800-457-LOCK and use promo code Levin to get the special 10% discount. That's 1-800-457-LOCK, 1-800-457-LOCK, 1-800-457-LOCK.
Lighten up a little bit.
I text Melissa, said we're on our way. At least trying to, LOL. And she responds, LOL, okay, see you soon.
I want to see the back of the setting sun.
So you can't tell if this guy is slowing down or not because he's riding his brakes using his left foot. Easy hydroplane weather right now. There's a lot of water. He's riding his brakes. Can't tell if he's slowing down or not. That's dangerous. Yeah. Oh yeah. Very dangerous right now. Kind of lightened up finally.
32%.
What?
Your video when I got the car.
They got some kind of a signal somewhere.
Oh yeah, we got a signal right now. We gotta go.
Okay, good.
You don't have green, but it's uploaded fast.
Yeah. Wait, I guess
Today wasn't a good day to pass that.
slow down a little bit, the rain.
Okay, be careful, please.
Ooh, right there. Ooh.